welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year! It is New Year's Day. It's about 15 degrees outside and we hosted New Year's Eve last night, so the house is a bit of a mess. So I'm really excited to start this new year off right and get everything nice and clean and tidy for the new year. And yeah, one of my friends really kindly cleaned up a lot last night, so a lot of like all the food and that kind of stuff was put away, but now I just need to like really put everything back and deep clean everything. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Marian. I make videos about Jewish life, motherhood, and minimalism, so subscribe to my channel to see more and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let's start cleaning. So I want to quickly show you guys what I use to clean the countertops. It's a homemade solution, half vinegar and half water. And then I just use these e-cloths, so I don't use like a million paper towels. They're these like microfiber e-cloths. I got them at Home Goods. And yeah, that's how I clean the surfaces. Okay, I'm about to tackle these dishes, but I want to show you guys two products for washing dishes that I really like. The first are these Sigma Go silicone sponges. I got these on Amazon. Basically, they're like antimicrobial, bacteria, etc. Sponges, you know, like accumulate so much gross stuff, so I was really looking for ones that didn't do that. And yeah, I really like these because they don't do that, and they're different colors, so I like keep one for my son's stuff and the bottles, and one for like gross, you know, just different things like that. And yeah, so I'll link those down below. The other thing I love, I saw another YouTuber using this, Vasseur Beauty. She's awesome. I'll link her below. It's this drying rack. This is really nice because the moisture like drips off, and then you can like wash it and stuff, and you can like move it around so that the stuff dries over the sink and everything. So yeah, time to tackle all these dishes. Okay guys, I finished all the cleaning. It only took me like maybe 25-30 minutes, and yeah, I'll show you guys the clean house. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have an awesome 2018. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel for more. I'll see you next time. Bye!